Hi everyone, today we are showing you an OPPO Reno 2 and how to turn on or off the Talkback. So firstly, let's get into settings. Okay, now we have to find additional settings. Alright, now we have to choose accessibility. Fine. On the screen reader we have to choose Talkback. Now it is off. Just click here and click OK.
Talkback on. Talkback.
As you can see, it is on. If you want to turn it off, just click on it until the green frame will be here.
Double tap to toggle.
And now you can double tap on it.
Alert disabled Talkback. Cancel button. Double tap to activate.
Okay, the same situation is here. You have to dab on off until you will see the green frame around it, and now you can double tap.
Talkback off.
Okay, now it is off, and that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave thumbs up.